Ating malaman kung ano po yung mga preparation na ginawa niyo para dito sa evaluation ng SGLG.
Yes, syempre, ang ating preparation would be following from, syempre, start of the year. Talagang yung mga guidelines or mga protocols and laws should be followed. And syempre, there will be some other new indicators that the assessment of the regional assessment team would employ as dictated or as mandated by the DILG. So, with this, but sometimes we cannot, some other municipalities, because of maybe too much politicizing and too much politicking, hindi na makakapasa. And one of which is syempre yung utilization mo ng pag-approve ng, pag-approve ng budget, may mga hindi nakakapasa na dyan. Others would be yung sa financial side. They have went beyond the said percentage of AOMs. One of which siguro yung mga iba, yung indicators ng CEFAN, which nung before na nahalala kong mayor, yun ang naging problema dito. The utilization of the CEFAN, hindi pinirmahan ng mga principals or the district supervisors at that time because only a few were given, only a few amount was given from the CEF fund to the different schools.
Oh.
So, that is the reason. So, some others, syempre siguro, they have not passed the disaster side. Syempre, others would be yung utilization ng funds and others. So, there are many reasons why a municipality cannot pass. But we're seeing to it that all of these things are put into the level of the requirement of the Seal of Good Local Governance, the DILG, and other government laws that should be followed. Yung isa nga lang ngayon, yung problema namin, yung utilization yung 20% because of the reason that maybe one project 20 million yun. We have not foreseen the post of the Sempelco that is near the center line or just a few meters away from the center line niya. Parang nakapaloob pa doon sa encroachment doon sa kalsada. And yung ating drainage system na ginawa doon ay kailangan mo may muna yung poste before. So we needed such funds like supplemental budget for the transfer kasi it will cost us in transferring the electric post. So that is around 20 million. So maybe malit lang naman yung portions na may ginawa si Congresswoman na naka-budget na sa amin. Ginawa na nila. So, malit lang yun, mga 8, 7 million siguro yun. Pondo. So, yun, yung 20%. Siguro justifiable din naman. Kasi, all of these projects, unforeseen naman. It is not the municipality's fault, but syempre yung unforeseen event Yeah, for 2 to 7, like others, would be an exception to the rule.
Oh, yes.
So, with this, I think we can lobby it to them for consideration. Kasi that was, para bang second, third quarter na yun, then nagkaroon ng supplemental budget by September or November ba yun? So halos sana tapos na rin yung sana.
In other words, it is a necessity. Pwede naman talaga.
Yes, oo. And yung ating budget, and the budget, syempre, supplemental. Yun.
Oh,